Hey everyone, this is Jackson from Townsteel. Today I'm going to be going over our school security options for our Rejuvenator series. If you haven't seen our video explaining what our Rejuvenator series is, I highly recommend you watch that video first and then come back to this one. The link to that video is in the description. Our school security options are covered by our Aegis series, which are distinct for the double-sided indicators, as you can see here. The Aegis locks come in mortise, cylindrical, and exit device trim, so they're available for any opening you might have. They're all built for retrofit, meaning we designed them to fit into a variety of door preps from different manufacturers. They cover up existing holes, and they allow you to reuse your existing cylinders and keyways. All locks within the Rejuvenator series are also ANSI BHMA Grade 1 certified, so you're not sacrificing quality when you're upgrading. Let's go over some use cases for some of the locks within our Aegis series. For standard classroom doors, many schools are looking for the ability to lock the door from the inside while also being able to see the lock status. This is our SLM board lock in our F84T function. The T stands for thumb turn, as you can see here. Throwing the thumb turn will change the status from unlocked to locked. And if you want to exit the room, you could do so without changing the lock status, regardless of whether or not your door is locked. For openings that require a higher amount of privacy and security, some schools may want the option to prevent the lock from allowing entry while an occupant is inside, even if someone has a key. For scenarios like this, we have our own custom faculty privacy function. When somebody enters a room and throws the thumb turn, it will change the status from unoccupied to occupied. What's special about this is that when the status is showing occupied and somebody tries to use a key to get in, they will not be allowed entry. The status must be showing unoccupied. In case of an emergency, however, we do have an emergency release right underneath the cylinder. Simply use a magnet to remove the faceplate, and then use a special tool provided by us or a flathead screwdriver to change the status back to unoccupied. At which point you could use a key to gain entry. For doors with exit devices, some schools may need to replace the existing trim either because it's broken or to comply with ever-changing safety requirements. Our Aegis ESG exit device trim is made for high-traffic exit doors. And the cool thing about the Aegis ESG is that when you throw the thumb turn and change the status to locked, the inside push bar still allows for free egress, but the outside lever remains locked. We actually have a video showing just how easy it is to install an Aegis ESG. The link to that video will appear up here on screen now. You can also find the link to that video in the description. So these are just some of our school security options that we have within our Rejuvenator series. If you want to learn more about our school security offerings for yourself or check out more, click the link in the description or visit www.townsteel.com/schoolsecurity.